I really like my BTEC course because it has like a lot of stuff about electronics and like programming.
I really enjoy the research aspect of my engineering course. It's that looking at the little details to try and understand the bigger picture. I just love understanding what things do and how things are, and that's definitely prevalent in my research.
My favourite part about engineering is electric engineering, and I also enjoy physics. It was my favourite subject in school.
I like to design my own project in engineering. Math, I'm always at the top of the class with math. I love mathematics, physics. My most favourite one is CAD, so I like computer stuff more.
Well, my favorite part is that we do a lot of practical and we do like teamwork and project and like group projects and stuff, so this helps learning very quick.
It's a quite thorough but wide-ranging engineering qualification. We can specialise, we can go into mechanical engineering in the second year, or we can go off into the electrical engineering sphere if they want. We give the student a year to settle in, and then they would naturally pick either the mechanical or electrical after that year. I know from my own experience that that qualification does open doors. Employers do recognise it as a credible qualification for industry in general.